guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to have for you guys is a beauty haul, all the few things that I bought. I want to show you guys some of the things that I haven't even used it or even opened them, so I can't wait to dig in and start showing you guys this so I could go ahead and start using it. First, let me just say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. So no further ado, so let's just get started. First thing I have is this makeup palette with, I think that a mascara. I bought this in Rödrz. I don't know if it's limited edition, I'm not sure. As soon as you walked in Rödrz, like right there they had like different eyeshadows, and I bought this one, and it is by, what is this, by the Palm Cosmetic. I don't know if I pronounce it right, and that is all it comes. I do not know if this is going to be a limited edition. So yes, and this is my first, so let's just go ahead and open it and do some swatches, because I haven't even opened these. So this is what it looks like, and it looks like a CD. Well, actually it is, it looks like it is the CD. It is alternative rock, and it's pretty cool. I like it. Let's just check the colors out, and that is the color. Very nice, very pretty. Let's see this one. Wow, that is beautiful. And that is Take It For Granted. Nice name. The next one is this one. If you guys can see, that's pretty. And the next color I'm going to swatch is this one right here, another glitter one, another shimmer. Ooh, it has fall off. Can you see my finger? And the color is Copper. Can you see? It has a little, just swatch. Wow, that part, those are beautiful. That is gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this. Next colors I'm going to swatch is this one right here, and the name is Nice Ash. These are pretty. Ooh, I love it. Look at that. Wow, that is gorgeous. Ooh, look how pigmented that is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me try. Okay, I need to get rid of this color out of my finger. Dark brown. That's very soft. Wow. Guys, look at that. It's so beautiful. Wow. Very, very nice. Not as pigmented that it was on my finger when you put it here, but can't complain. It's pretty. This is pretty nice. I cannot wait to try it and use it in one of the makeup in the tutorial. And it comes with this mascara. Look how pretty. I love the packaging. Like, it's so beautiful. I love it. I don't know. My favorite thing is packaging. When I see something so pretty and so like unique like this, I have to buy it. I am a sucker for packaging. Look, that's the brush. Very nice. I like it because it's not too thick or big like some other out there. Because if you know me, I like this thin brush. I like my eyes to stay right where they are. Next I bought is this eyeliner. It's the same one that you guys see me using all the time. I just decided to buy a new one because the old one the one that I usually have, I really didn't need to buy it because it lasts you a long time, but I lost it for some reason. I could not find it. I put it away, and now I just have two. Doesn't usually happen. Every time you lose something, you cannot find it, and when you buy something, then it just appears from nowhere. Other time I bought this and it was just right there, the usual. But yes, it's the same, so no need to open it because I found my old one, so I'm just gonna keep this like that. Next is gonna be another eyeshadow palette, and it's by NYX. It's this one right here. Love the colors. I cannot wait to use this. I was trying to find palettes that I don't have, colors that I don't have, because I have so many eyeshadows and I feel like they all look the same. Like every eyeshadow palette I have, I feel like I have like natural or browns, and so I was trying to find something that I kind of don't have, but it is hard because I have so many. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at this, guys. Don't you think that's beautiful? Look at this blue. And I'm not too crazy with blue, but this is, and this color on camera, it looks like the one I'm wearing right now, but if you see it in person, it is nothing like the color I have on my lid. It looks more kind of like bluish and grayish, you know, like they put like a touch of green, a touch of blue with some green, I mean some gray, but it made it look like it's like a teal color, but it's not. And it's very, very light. Like if you go to NYX and you see, you will know what I'm talking about. So let's just swatch these colors. Let's start with the gray. Oh, it feels strange. It's not soft and doesn't feel. It doesn't feel like velvety, and it doesn't feel like soft. It's kind of like rough, and it has fall off. But for the price, you can never go wrong. So this is the gray. It doesn't have a name. I don't know. So I'm just gonna swatch this, and I am the worst swatcher, guys, so forgive me for that. Look at that. Like I said, I am the worst. So let's just try this one more time. So I'm just gonna do with the, I'm gonna go with the blue. This blue is pretty. The light blue. What is that? Like a gray color. That one is soft. So let's see how I swatch this that you guys will see. Oh wow, that is pretty. Can you see that, guys? The gray was, it is hard to, okay, let me try the gray again. Let's see, that is the gray. It's pretty, huh? So now let's try these two colors right here. Look how beautiful these two colors are. And let's see. It looks similar to this ones over here. Very nice. It looks like the colors that I have over here. Those two colors. Very pretty. I like it. And you know, NYX is very affordable. And what it says is Ultimate Edit. That's the name. I got this in Walgreens, not in Ulta, because now Walgreens has NYX. So for those who doesn't know or did not know that, I'm sure everybody knew that, but just in case I want it, I have it. So moving on, next is gonna be this is from my line, these two Power Lip Polish. This one right here. So this is the colors. This is like a brown, and this is like a pinky, and this is the colors, the polish, the glossy. So if you don't want glossy, you could just keep it matte. If you want glossy, you just put this on top of the color. Just swatch this for you guys. So first is going to be, I think this one is Free Spirit. I think this is the Free Spirit one. The name of it is so tiny, I can't even read it, and I have good eyes. So let's see how I can swatch this that you guys want. Look how pretty that is. And then we're going to swatch Visionary. I think this is Visionary. If I'm wrong, just write it down, but comment down below and let me know which one this was, because I totally forgot. those are the colors. I always talk about these lipsticks on my Instagram story. They last a long time once you, because once you put the polish, it will seal. I call it seal because it will not go anywhere. And the only thing you could reapply is just the polish. You don't have to reapply the color if you don't want to, or if you want to, you could go ahead and apply as much you want. It's your decision. So now let's just see, guys, it does not move at all. See, and I'm doing very hard. The only thing it comes is only the polish. The lipstick will not move. But then again, see, guys, sorry, I don't think you guys see, I'm doing it very hard, very hard. Nothing. So moving on, up next is going to be this Viva La Juicy Rose. My Molo, Georgia vlog, you saw me that I was buying this perfume right here. I fell in love not only with the smell, but I think what convinced me to buy this perfume was the bottle. First, because it's pink, and second, not only this pink, but it is so bling, so glittery and shimmer. I mean, it has my name, like Rose, because hello, it is beautiful. I think I bought it more not for the smell, but I think I got it because of how beautiful it is. Like, come on, tell me you cannot think this is so beautiful. I really love it. And the smell, oh my gosh, oh guys, if my phone will have nose, I will let you guys smell these. It smells delicious. Oh. If you go to the mall, guys, check it out, smell it. It is beautiful. The bow, I mean, every detail. I just fell in love with with the detail, not only the smell, but the detail, the pink, the glitter. Look at this. It has the little crown, and it has this little what do you call these? It looks like a little champagne, and it has pink rhinestones inside, the bow. That, I mean, it is beautiful. I fell in love with it, and I didn't care how much I spent on these. And not only the bottle is beautiful, but can we talk about the box? Really, like I said, I am all about quality. If any product looks this beautiful, like look at this box. It has glitter, like you could feel it. That little crown again, and it is by Juicy Couture. Actually, it is by Francis, because like I said, come on, it has my name on it. That's the only reason why I bought it. Just kidding. But yes, if you know me, this is, you know I will buy something like this because it is beautiful. Next is gonna be this 2 highlighter, and it is by Wet n Wild. Never used this before. This one is kind of like brown gold, and this is kind of, it looks very pearly color, like pearl, like a pearl. It has like pink in it and stuff. So let's just go ahead and open it so I could swatch this for you guys. And I got this in work. Open this. What is this? Oh, it has a little, oh cool, I didn't have a clue. That is that. Let's swatch this. Can you guys see? Oh, that's nice. Let's see. Ooh, that's a highlighter. It's going to be this one. Let's swatch this one. I'm gonna swatch. Oh wow, wow. So this is a highlighter. Yeah, liquid highlighter. That is, and of course, I am the worst swatch person. Let's just swatch this again, guys, because I am horrible. Let's see. Right here. Whoever knows how to swatch, you got a trophy. Let's see. Better now. You got that. Okay. There you go. And next is, and look at how big those sponge is. Wow. And the next one, let me see where I'm gonna swatch this so you guys can see. Very pigmented for being a highlighter. Can you put that over here? So yes, that is that. Up next is going to be this foundation, and the one I got is and it is Fit Me, and it's matte poreless, normal to dry, and it's this one right here. And the color, what is the color? Classy Ivory, which I'm sure you will pick your skin color. Up next is going to be this makeup remover by I don't know how you say that. Garnier Skin Active Makeup Remover Towels. That is the name I was trying to read. So that is, I ran out of mine, so I had to restock. And last and not least is going to be this setting spray. It is this, you could use this for your hair, your body, your face, wherever you need a refreshment. You put this on, especially if you go to the beach or the pool. This is perfect to take with you, and you spray yourself with this to feel refreshed. I use this for setting spray. I use it at night, morning, or when I have makeup on, I use this. This is really good, and it's pretty big compared to what you get on those stores. And what is this? 8 ounce, 8.4 ounces. And it's very affordable, so I use this for everything. For hair, this is really good when you go to the beach or the pool. When it's really hot outside, it's good to spray this. Make sure you wear your sunblock, girls. And guys, so that was it for the video. I will link everything on the description box. I am hoping to find everything and put the link in the description box to make it very easy for you guys to just go ahead and just click and search, and you, instead of you like typing the name and look and all that, Google it. So I will put everything in the description box. Let me know in the comment below which product that I show you here it was your favorite, and if you have any product that you love and you always buy and you always use, let me know in the comment below so I could go ahead and check it out for myself. No further ado, guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Love you guys.